These pattern blocks geometric shape jigsaw puzzle is a wonderful game. और इसमें भी डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स और डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स के कार्ड्स हैं जिनको फॉलो करते हुए कलरफुल ब्लॉक्स से पजल सॉल्व करना होता है. So these are not just toys. It's an investment in your children's development. You must check out Please Papa's website and their page to transform your children's playtime into learning time. Don't forget that it can be a great source of parent-child bonding as you play and engage together.